Each morning, Layla and Mariam moved through their routine with practiced efficiency. The air between them was heavy with unspoken words, and their interactions often felt mechanical, shaped by necessity rather than affection. Breakfast was hurried, conversations brief, and moments of eye contact rare. The sense of disconnection lingered, making their daily rush feel less like teamwork and more like parallel lives. Over time, this habitual distance became the defining feature of their relationship. On a pivotal morning, Mariam pauses her usual rush and chooses to be fully present. She gently invites Layla to join her, sharing a quiet moment over breakfast. This simple act of connection breaks the pattern of hurried interactions, allowing both to appreciate each other's company. The warmth and understanding that emerge from this shared experience begin to reshape their relationship. From this day forward, their mornings take on a new meaning, establishing a routine grounded in mindfulness and mutual respect.